everyone, this is Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, where we focus on planning, organizing, and living a more simplified life. Today, I'm coming to you answering a question from my travel log video. That question was, how do I insert a picture that I've taken with my phone onto a page in OneNote? So here I have a daily page set up, and this particular day I want to enter a couple of pictures. I have a blank space over here that I can use, so I'm going to touch on that area, and you see that the gray box at the top means I already have a container set up with a daily log, so I can add some notes. I'm going to come down here to the camera icon, and that's going to bring up pictures for me to look at. When I scroll up, I can find, let's see, that one and that yummy BLT that we had, and then the stage setting. I'm going to say OK. And when I take a look at this picture, I can see right away that it has been cropped. So I'm going to change the cropping on this one simply by expanding it. I want the entire picture. I'll hit confirm. Let's see, the BLT looks good, but I want to show you another feature. You can come down here to text, and you can add, let's see, let's add the title of the restaurant, Clyde's, and we will note that this was a yummy BLT with the most tomato I have ever seen in my life. If you want to change the style, you can do so here. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And let's see. All right, we will do that. Say done for that one. And you will see that it is inserting all three of those pictures. They are right in a row of where we went to dinner and what show that we saw. Then I can come down here and I can add any journaling that I would like to typing text down here. Okay? All right, so there you have it. It's that simple. You can take a photograph on your phone and then go into whatever page you happen to be working on in OneNote and insert those pictures right away. Great way to do some memory keeping right here in OneNote. Okay, hope that answers your question. And until next time, here's hoping that you can live a more simplified and organized life through better planning. Okay, bye.